welcome back to my channel. This week we are planning our Christmas week. Yes, it is one more week to the new year, and we will be using our stickers from This Diva's Got a Plan, and we will also be using our color box sticker book from the Happy Planner, and I may use a couple of other stickers from either another sticker book, but I'll show you guys as I go along. So if you want to see how I plan this Christmas week, stay tuned. Stickers that I got from This Diva's Got a Plan. You can follow her over on Etsy as well as Instagram, and this is the name of her paper company, which I can't pronounce. So I think what I'm going to use are the black boxes from the colorful boxes and decorate like that. There's not too much that I actually need to put on my calendar for the week. I actually think I want to make a gratefuls list. A gratefuls list for Christmas. Oh, that's cute. I like it. I like it. I like it. Christmas is actually on Tuesday, which, by the way, I didn't know. I think I'm just going to use Friday and Saturday to chill. I'm going to actually have my granddaughter with me. We may do some running around. I don't know. I think I'm going to fix her just a little bit. And these stickers, y'all, are a nice, they're not thin. They are they have a nice feel to them. I'm just trying to be very careful. I don't want to mess her up. She's so cute. Right, I just wanted to straighten her out a little bit more. I didn't want her to look like she was drunk. And I'm actually okay with covering up dates, because this is really a theme look, so I'm good with that. Covering up the days, I mean, I didn't put dates on here. Covering up the days. I am all the way good. And then, let's see. I'm wondering if I should put a box under here, because I know it's notes already, but I wonder if I can get a box under there. There we go. Oh, and I forgot to say, this is my mini, y'all. This is my mini planner. And as you can hear, sounds like I am getting a little something in my throat. So y'all pray for me because this week is going to be a busy week. So I know I'll be needing my voice. And I have one more sticker, but I don't know where to put her. All right, there we go. Actually, I am done. There is nothing left for me to add. And I love it. Super cute. It was just enough stickers for my mini, especially since this was a themed. So make sure you guys head on over to This Diva's Got a Plan on Instagram and on her Etsy shop. And again, that is the name of her Etsy shop. So make sure you go and find her and get your own stickers. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and an upcoming Happy New Year. I pray that you get everything that you're looking for, everything that you wanted, and that God blesses you and your family tremendously. Until next time.